Hi, there's a lot I have to say about how I'm feeling or what I'm going through, like many of us are. But I also feel I don't deserve to be talking about it, especially when I'm safe and living with my family. Don't get me wrong, I am eternally grateful to Almighty for keeping my family and I safe. I feel extremely privileged right now. However, situations might not be the same for everybody. I hope you and your loved ones are keeping well. And we also cannot ignore the fact that for some of us, the world is crashing down. We all are dealing with something way, way bigger than we ever anticipated. I don't intend to forcefully tell you that everything is going to be fine when you don't see the situation getting any better. I understand you weren't ready for whatever you're going through right now. I understand you aren't ready to accept your loss. I understand that you are angry and you should be. I understand that you feel helpless and can't express because you've got a lot on your plate and it's mentally taxing. Like many of you, I too am contemplating on the fact that will we ever come out of this? Even if we do, we can't bring back what we lost. Our friend, our partner, our parents, or someone else you loved. I too am feeling helpless, restless, and angry. I find myself weeping when I'm kept alone with my thoughts. I have zero motivation to do anything, to create anything. It just feels morally wrong to me personally. But then I think to myself, there's already a lot going on in this world where everything is unfair and we are looking for an escape from the reality of it. We all need to be distracting our minds for us to be mentally healthy and give ourselves the time to heal by doing what gives us peace and sanity. As only by keeping sane will we be able to help the other. Creating videos, editing them is my happy place. Find yours. I know that there's not much I can do in terms of help besides sharing or amplifying a need or any information related to the second wave of COVID. But what I can do is create a space for you to escape and take your mind off. As a creator, I don't know how to move forward with my content, but I wanna help. I don't mind if you put your thoughts in the comments and bash or rant. In fact, I urge you to express. I urge you to let go of the anger that you might be holding on to. Let go of the tears that refused to come out. Treat this space as your mind dump and dump in all your thoughts and feelings and let go.